It's hard to start. I know. You know. But you don't know where any beginning can take you. Don't be afraid, my friend. Start. Because one day you, just you, will be able to climb the heights. I believe it. It doesn't matter where you are now, what difficulties you are facing. It will be different than what you thought. It won't be easy, but it will be better anyway. Most importantly, it will be interesting. Today, a friend approached me and offered me to make a commercial about cosmetics. I immediately refused, while it is one of the trending topics, and I wanted to write what I saw and heard many years ago during my trip to Italy, when I was talking to a well-known Italian fellow. He told me about how popular pizza is. I wrote and made a video about how a cartoon made a product famous in the world. Today, I want to talk about mutation in business. Of course, we all know the Nokia brand, but few people know that Nokia was the first to produce toilet paper. And you are afraid to start. One of the world-famous companies is Sony. Maybe 10 years ago, it was producing benchmark electrical products, but not many people know that Sony started its first business with a rice cooker. Samsung was involved in fruit and fish exports. Lego was a carpentry company, and its first work was a wooden toy in the shape of a duck. The well-known Colgate produced soap, not toothpaste. Car manufacturer Toyota looms, game console manufacturer Nintendo, playing cards, Tiffany & Co. stationery, DuPont gunpowder, Lamborghini tractor, Hasbro textiles, LG cosmetics, Mitsubishi ship and boat repair, Jacuzzi propellers and aviation, Coca-Cola headache medicine, BMW motor for airplanes, IKEA rollerball pen, and Walt Disney started by drawing, even drawing the first cartoon in the garage of their uncles. You know which of the big companies started from the garage. What companies can you give an example? I'm waiting in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and show your love.